I just decided to take a nap. And then suddenly, I was taken to the bathroom. Oh no. I don't want to cut my claws. And I don't like washing either. This water makes my fur stick together. And I ran away from that bathroom. And how long will I be this wet and cold? Oh, that's different. Warm wind. I never knew I could be so fluffy. I was given a new fancy color, so I was ready for Christmas. I thought watching fireworks was fun. It turned out to be scary. Do you like fireworks? Tell me in the comments.